In order to prepare your product data for importing using the product importer, go to the GOb2b Web CMS. Then navigate to Data Import in the left-hand menu. The first step is to ensure your catalog is populated correctly. You'll find more information in the steps on the left-hand side. It's crucial you are happy with the layout of your catalog before commencing the product import. When you are ready, proceed to the second step. This is where you decide the fields that you'd like to import for your products. If you select View Help, it will open our help site in a new browser. You can see all the possible fields that you can input using the product importer. Some particularly important fields are Primary Department and Reference Departments. Primary Department is the subdepartment that you want the product to sit directly underneath. Reference Departments is used if you want the product to sit in more than one department on the site. Add in any additional departments and separate with a comma. Some other important fields are Include all product text keys and Include all image keys. Ensure you review this help page before proceeding to the next stage. You will see some fields are considered specifications. These can be added to the product page in a table. Ask your onboarding lead for more information. Return to the product importer and select View/Select Columns. Here you can add or remove any fields you want to import for the products. Once you have selected the fields you require, close the window and then select Download Starter Template. Open the file, and you will see a CSV file has been generated with certain column headers that correspond to your product fields. You will see that this needs to match exactly with the field name on the help site viewed earlier. Stock code acts as the product anchor, so is necessary for every product import. Matrix and axis fields are for matrix products. Please watch the matrix product import video for more information. Primary Department is required for your first product import, to ensure the product is pulled through to the correct part of the site. If this is not specified, the product will be imported as an orphan. If your integration has been set up, you will need to have the Attached to Account field set to True. You will also see the product text keys, some of which are for SEO. For more information, refer to the help site page. You can also add in images and files. You will need to input the full file name in these columns. We will cover how to import the images in the next video. The next step is to populate your product data in this CSV file.